What will the value of p and q for which the given function sin of p plus 1x plus sin x whole divided by x for x less than 0, for q for x equal to 0, and fx equal to square root of x plus x square minus square root of x divided by x to the power 3 by 2 for x greater than 0 is continuous for all x in R. So we need to find the value of p and q, and let us see how to do this. The condition for continuity of any function at a given point x equal to a for fx will be the left hand limit, that is the limit x approaches to a from negative direction fx, should be equal to value of the function at a, that is f of a, and that should be equal to limit x tends to a from positive direction, that is the right hand limit for fx. Now as we have been provided that the given function is a continuous function, therefore it will satisfy these conditions. So let us write them. First of all, f of 0 is equal to q. Now we will calculate the left hand limit at x equal to 0, that is the limit x tends to 0 from negative direction f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 from negative direction, and the function given is sin of p plus 1 x plus sin x divided by, now we know the sine formula. What is the sine formula? That is sin c plus sin d, that is equals to sin c plus sin d is equal to twice of sin c plus d divided by 2 cos c minus d divided by 2. On applying this formula, what we will be getting here? We will be getting limit x approaches to 0 from negative direction twice of sin p plus 1 x plus x whole divided by 2 times cos p plus 1 into x minus x whole divided by 2, and the complete expression divided by 2. That will give limit x approaches to 0 from negative direction sin of x times p plus 2 over 2 cos px divided by 2 divided by x. Now in the last step, what we will do? We will write it like this: limit h tends to 0 sin of 0 minus h p plus 2 divided by 2 cos of 0 minus h over 2 divided by 0 minus h. As we know that cos 0 is nothing but 1 only, so we can put 1 equal here. So we are left with sin of h times p plus 2 divided by 2, and the negative sign as sin minus theta is nothing but minus sin theta, and in the denominator we will be having minus h, and we have the limit going there, limit h tends to 0 and the whole thing multiplied by 2. This negative sign will be cancelled out, and we know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. So what we need to do? We need to multiply p plus 2 by 2 in denominator and as well as in numerator. So this complete limit will now turn out to be 1 only. So we are left with 2 times p plus 2 divided by 2. So this will cancel out each other. Therefore we can say that the left hand limit is p plus 2. Now on the next page we will calculate the right hand limit. That is limit x approaches to 0 from positive direction fx, and let us see what is our function. And for positive direction we have been given that limit x approaches to 0 from positive direction, and the function is square root of x plus x square minus square root of x whole thing divided by x to the power 3 by 2. So first of all we will rationalize the numerator, and for this we will be multiplying numerator and denominator by square root of x plus x square plus square root of x, and in the denominator also we will be having the same thing, that is square root of x plus x square plus square root of x. That will give limit x approaches to 0 from positive direction x plus x square minus x divided by x to the power 3 by 2 times square root of x plus x square plus root x. This x and x will be cancelled out, so we will be left with limit x approaches to 0 from positive side x square divided by x to the power 3 by 2 times square root of x plus x square plus root x. On further simplification we can see that the terms are simplified as limit x tends to 0 from positive direction x to the power 2 minus 3 by 2 divided by x square plus square root of x square plus x plus square root of x. So that will give limit x tends to 0 positive direction x to the power 1 by 2, and what we will do now, we will take out root x common from both the factors from the denominator. So we will be getting square root of x times square root of 1 plus x plus 1. So this is square root x and this is square root x, will be cancelling each other. So we are left with limit x tends to 0 positive direction 1 over square root of 1 plus x plus 1, and now we can write it as limit h tends to 0 1 over square root of 1 plus 0 plus h, which is nothing but 1 plus h only, plus 1 here. On substituting h equal to 0 we will be getting 1 over 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So what we can say, that right hand limit is equal to 2. Therefore q is equal to 2, and as we have written there that q is equal to p plus 2, substituting its value there. Let us check what value we have calculated for p in the last page. Yes, what we have got q is equal to p plus 2, and q here is nothing but equal to half, because value of function at 0 is equal to right hand limit of the function, that is q equal to half, and q is equal to p plus 2. Therefore half equal to p plus 2, and that gives us p equal to minus 3 by 2. So let us check which is our correct answer. We can see here that p is equal to minus 3 by 2 and q is equal to half. So B is the correct option.